Imagine a life where you, not fear, anxiety, procrastination, and inaction, are in charge. Imagine setting goals around careers, relationships, finances, and actually changing and achieving what you want in life instead of feeling frustrated and stuck and down on yourself. Hi, I'm Melissa Bohr Jacobson, confident life coach and clinical hypnotherapist. And I offer one on one and group programs like my group program that starts tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern. Be sure to hit the bell and subscribe to my channel. And that way you can receive tips and information about how you and your family can find freedom from fear and anxiety, have life look the way you want it, like so many of my clients, like this young dad who's not only been freed from anxiety, he's recreated his relationship with his blended family, been freed from abuse of alcohol, and even freed from nail biting. And he feels great, confident, and in control, and excited about the future he's creating. I have so many other examples. But if you are ready to stop fear, anxiety, self doubt, procrastination, and second guessing from keeping you from the life you want, I can help you. A quick tip for today: anxiety is about feeling out of control. When you feel anxiety creeping in, remember you are in control. The most important thing, where it all begins, your thoughts. Say to yourself repeatedly, I'm calm, relaxed, and I am in control. You can learn exactly how to take back control of getting what you want in life, like my client, for free. Just get on a free call with me at www.meetwithmelissa.me or shoot me a message. If you want to join our group tomorrow, and I'll give you a coupon for $100 off. I've got to go. I got a client on their way in.